Hi, this is the Redmi Note 12S and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So open first the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this first application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings and near green Apple keyboard, tap on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Tap to OK. So now the process is finished and let's check the new look of our keyboard. We could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one to see all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.